Okay, today I'm working with my Merc and I'm changing the front bearing because I have had issues with drivability. It is a bit restless on the highway and a little bit of noise from this front end, and here is a little gap here. It looks, I don't know if you can hear it, but there is some gap there. The other side was a little bit worse, much worse I'd say, and it weared my tires too, so I want to change these bearings before I get the new set of tires to this car. So I'm changing this. I have changed already those control arms, this upper one and the lower one, and I have these wishbones here that I'm not sure if I'm going to change them right now because these seem to be tight enough. So I don't change them at the moment, but this is the job that I'm going to do now. And what I need to do next is to take off the brake caliper and the caliper bracket and take off the bearing, and let's see what happens. The brake caliper is attached with two bolts here with a 12mm bolt. Okay, so they are not so tight. You can take these easily off. Basically, this should just come off by turning it. Hopefully it comes off. Okay, here it goes. I'll take my a little bit of a I can't find my pliers, so let's go. I'm using a welding rod here to brake line. Oh man, this is way too much. Okay, it's there. Okay, next thing to do is to take these parts. Now the caliper bracket off. On the other side these were real side, so I think I'll just hit them. Real tight. Let's see. Okay, the caliper bracket is off. Okay, this is the Mercedes style of lock nut here in, and this one is a pain in the ass because there is a bolt here, down here, and this edge comes right on it, so that's a bit awkward to take off. So I don't have a proper tool for this, but I'm using a this kind of a thingy here. Oh yeah. It's already loosening, so the new pairing kit came with new bolt to this piece, so I'll be using that, but there was a nut, this lock nut here, so okay, let's take the, there comes the outer bearing. A little bit of wear there, but nothing major. The other side was a lot worse. And now it comes off. A little bit of dirt there. Oh yeah, here is a little bit of a movement on sideways. That's not a good sign, so it was a good thing to take this sucker off. Okay, here is a spring seal, and I want to take off this. Are usually not coming off in one piece. And there was a new one in the kit, and this is just junk. And here's the bearing. Okay, next thing to do is to get these bearing houses off from the outer side and inside. There's a little bit of edge right there, so you can hit it with something and work around and it will go off. One thing to use is a press, but I don't have one, so or puller. But I'm going to be hammering a little bit, just for sure. I measure this lip here with the it's a 1.1 centimeter, same as the other side, and the seal here measures the ABS sensor, and it's flat here, so I think this is you don't need to do this, but I wanted to do it anyways. So I have heard that someone has hit these bearings too low, so I won't do that mistake. But now it's just hitting. Okay, let's see if I can get any movement in here. Take one. Oh. Enough. Okay, now it's one more here. Like that. And I'm going to use this old housing as when I put the new one on, so I don't lose this one. And now it's time to take the larger one off. And oh, my finger. Ooh. That gave me chills. Oh man. Okay, it's almost out, so a couple of hits more here. One. It's off. Okay. Now it's time to clean this up and put a new one on.